What's up, you guys? My name is Shaynawheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it is my new series called Styling Basics Saturdays. Still a working title, but I'm gonna go with that one. Okay? All right, cool. So every other Saturday, every Saturday of the month, I'm still trying to figure that out as well. I'm going to be trying to style some pieces for you guys. Most likely it's going to be basic pieces that everybody has in their house. It's going to be simple things that you might not even know you can make look fly, and I'm gonna help you make it look fly or make it look like a vibe or something. Yeah, we don't have to walk around looking boring and basic. We could use basic stuff and make it look fly, right? So that's what we're here to do. I wanted to do 7 looks for basically the week. So this is 7 ways I'm styling my Air Force 1's. The goal is for anybody to watch these styling videos I have and feel like they can get something out of this video. I don't only want it to be trendy things. I want it to be like super simple, make it look fly. This is trendy, make it look fly. I'm being extra, I'ma be fly. I just wear sweatpants all the time and pajama tops, but I'ma still make it look fly. Yeah, I want everybody to be able to learn and pull and get something from my styling videos and be able to look dope, even if you have like a simple look, even if you have like the same boring 3 shirts that you had for like a year now and you don't know what to do with them. Yeah, let's get started and let's get into this video. 2 disclaimers. 1, my sneakers are actually pretty white. They're pretty white, but you can't really tell in this light. 2, I didn't really change my hairstyle because dealing with my type of hair texture, I can't always change it like this on a dime for each outfit. Normally, if I had time, I would, switch up the whole vibe with the look. That's that on that. And let's get started. So the first look is, roll the clip. Okay, so you just watched the first clip. The first clip, you started off with something very basic. I styled a baggy pair of jeans. Everybody loves a baggy jean or a boyfriend jean with a simple lettuce bandeau top. I went for the lettuce type of top because I feel like the lettuce type of top gives more of a vibe to the bandeau, so that's why I went with that one. I did a simple chain. I don't know if you can really fully see it, but this is it. I did a simple chain. I also paired it with these cute brown shades that also looks cute tied in with the Army Fatigue fanny pack, which you could wear on your chest or on your waist. For this look, I prefer on the chest. And then I also swapped it out for a cute basket bag that's actually broken. I never wore it. I got it from a thrift store for only like $1.49, which was amazing. But yeah, so I switched it out for a basket look, which would give more of a cute, fun, girly vibe to this look. Depending on what bag you choose to wear with it, you can definitely go more girlier with the basket bag as opposed to more of a chill vibe with the fanny pack. So yeah, cute, simple. Moving on to the second outfit. Tuesday's outfit is Tuesday's outfit is more of a lazy day outfit. You really did not feel like getting dressed. you definitely didn't feel like putting on pants, or you couldn't find the right perfect pants to wear. So I did a shirt dress. Now, I think shirt dresses are really cute. A lot of people like to wear them with biker shorts, especially if you're feeling weird about being too bare. You could wear biker shorts. For me, I wanted to be a little scandalous and extra, and I paired it with some fishnet stockings that I just cut into looking like biker shorts, and I also used the fishnet for like socks, well, to put over the socks, just for like a little extra full out look, like I like to look sometimes. So that's what I did with that. If you don't like the look, you can definitely just roll it up and just go for the shirt dress type of look. Also, adding to this look would be the harness belt. I made sure I wanted to do a harness belt because it just gave that little edgy type of vibe to it. And if you wear a harness belt, do not wear any type of bag that crosses your chest or anything like that, because then it will throw off the whole look. So I did the blue shades because the graphic tee is blue. You could wear any type of shirt to make it look like a cute shirt dress type of thing, but I think graphic tees definitely do it justice all the time. Now for this, it was a regular shirt. I just cut it into the shape and boom, bada bing. Also, I have on like limited accessories because the harness belt is already a lot. So I did hoop earrings, a little bracelet, and that was basically it. And then you're good to go for your lazy day. So moving on to the next outfit, we have this next outfit is more so of the minimalist outfit, and I'm going to a casting call as a model outfit. So as you know, you're supposed to wear the basic tee with something form-fitting. Usually people wear jeans. So this outfit could look super basic and super boring. But if you add the right type of accessories just to give it a nice little touch, the vibe can look amazing. So for this, I did a cute little moon chain with these funky glasses, and I had a crossbody bag for just the regular, I want to look cute and simple day. Now, if you don't like crossbody bags, or you don't like any type of purse at all, you can switch it out for a smaller little backpack. And I feel like with this look, a dainty backpack looks amazing with it. Now, if you get a little cold, or if you're trying to add a little vibe, a cute crop jacket is always the way to go. When I put on this crop jacket with the little bag, I was like, oh, I'm just stepping it up a little bit. Also, with the pants, you can have it rolled up like I have it as well, or you can have it regular size. My jeans are usually a little bit too long for me because my legs are kind of short, so sometimes I have to roll it up at the ankles. Now, if you want to go for a little bit more minimalist, but I'm a woman, I have to go out on an interview, I have like a little lunch date, you can add a blazer. You can use any type of blazer. This wasn't going to be my first choice of blazer, but you know what? Let me just go with this. So even with this, I changed the glasses out, and let me find these glasses. So these are the glasses for the first look. And I changed the glasses out for these. These are like snakeskin print glasses, and it kind of just gives the vibe. It gives the outfit a different vibe with the glasses. You can wear it without, but I kind of just like it with the glasses because they give it a nice little pop to the outfit. Yeah. And I changed out both types of bags for this white bag I got from New York & Company. The bag is actually really white. It just looks trash on camera, and I'm tight about that. This next outfit for Thursday, So this outfit is a baggy tee with some, you can wear sweatpants or joggers with this outfit. Now this is if you really just trying to chill, you really hanging out with your friends, or if you want to take a dance class in this outfit is definitely perfect for that. So just to add a little extraness to it, to give it more of a pop of a vibe, there's like a little bit of purple in the shirt, so I added these purple polka dot glasses. Let me get them. So I added these purple polka dot glasses, and I like the shape of it, so I knew the shape of this would make the outfit look really dope. So with that, I have a silver circle bag. It gives it more of a street vibe, a streetwear vibe to it. I have on, well, I'm supposed to have on an ankle bracelet, but I don't think I had it on for that look. But yeah, so that I had 2 chains on. The first chain is like a small cross chain. Then the second chain is like, it's actually 1 chain. It looks like a bunch of chains, like how you stack chains. So I felt like silver accessories with this silver bag and these purple glasses to look different made it look fly. Also, my earrings are not pink. If they look pink, they are red. So I feel like when you add cute little accessories, that can definitely just change your outfit like that. Okay, cool. And there you have your cute little, I'm just trying to chill vibe outfit. Moving on to Friday. With this look, I know some people are gonna be like, I don't agree with this dress look. So I gave you an option. It's 2 in 1. You get the option for the full out fabulous dress, and then you get the option for the, okay, this is more regular and chill type of dress. So the first one, I naturally wouldn't have picked to wear that type of texture dress with the sneakers, but I was like, you know what, let me try something different, and it actually kind of works. I wore that with a little anklet and I was good to go. Put studs in your ear and that's it. I feel like you can wear like a simple chain like in the first outfit, but I feel like no chain with this kind of works. And the brown bag, I just wanted something different. I just wanted some random color. I didn't want a white bag. I didn't want a black bag. I just like, sometimes I just like random pops of color, and I just felt like a chain bag was cute and a brown chain bag worked out. So that's why I wore it, because I liked it. And now for the other look, this look, more people would wear this look. So for this one, I had this brown tote bag that I actually got from the thrift store. It's kind of like this brown tannish vibe going on with the outfit. I have the white belt to kind of tie in with the sneakers. Now the belt is a belt that I made. This is the belt. It's literally a little snap belt. You can definitely not wear it. With this look, I wore a love chain, and I think it looks so cute and so simple. And what really pieced together the outfit to make it look a little bit more like, oh, she kind of look extra cute and it's so simple, is these shades. I love these heart shades. I think it just looked good with the brown, all the browns. Moving on to the next outfit. Outfit is my Velma inspired outfit. With this outfit, I feel like I'm trying to be cute and conservative in the summertime, but I still want to be a little thought with my shorts. This is your shorty is telling you like, yo, like we about to go out, have fun, And then he's like, oh, we got to stop by my parents' house for a barbecue. And you got to throw on a nice little sweater to just calm down the outfit. Yeah, and the snakeskin with this type of vibe just make it look amazing. So I went with a snakeskin purse, and I think it looks like a nice little pop. A simple chain with simple earrings that I got from Africa. These are super cute. And I know there's no red in it, but I still feel like it kind of goes with the whole outfit. And I kind of like the bag across the chest with this sweater outfit specifically. And later on, if you want to go hang out with your friends, you can definitely pop off the sweater and keep the sexy little bralette underneath. And last but not least, let's go.
Perfect. Perfect.
This look is everything that everybody has. It's so simple. This look is super simple. It's the I work out but I don't really work out type of vibe. So with this, I just did a cute little Africa chain. I did the sweater crop that everybody's always doing. For me, this was like an overly cropped sweater that I really cut really short. Now with the bag, I feel like the bag gives it a little spice, a little vibe to it. Now this is a bag that's a newspaper crossbody bag that you wear behind you. But if you want to be different, like me, you're gonna just try something different. So this is my first time, like when I was filming this, trying it across my waist instead of on my back. So I kind of like that look, and I feel like that just gives it a little edge. The little hoop earrings, the bag, and the little cut off top, I think it's like a perfect good to go type of outfit. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys found something in this video that you liked and found a way that you could style a simple classic all white sneaker with simple classic looks. Oh, another thing is I'm trying to figure out how exactly I want to do this video. If you watch this, please just comment and let me know if you want me to just show the outfits and be on my merry way, or if you want me to tell why I chose certain outfits or why I paired certain things together, because I would love to do that too, but I'm just not sure of what the people want yet. So just let me know what you guys think would work or would help you or help other people that you might know that might need help. We're trying to style things to make it look like a little bop, bop, boppity, bop, bop, shabop, shabam, shabam, boom, bam, diggity, damn. All right, y'all. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm hoping that you guys found something that you liked or are inspired to take something really plain and boring to make it look cute and make it look dope. If you found something that you did like or you didn't like, let me know down below, but don't be rude about it, okay? And I'm out. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Later.